Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Here we have the beloved TDV8. Now, I had a company get in contact with me. They sent me an email. Now, I won't say they've reached out to me because I've had quite a lot of people complaining, say that as soon as I said that a company reached out to me, they switched off. So I'm sorry if I offended any of you people out there that don't like reached out. I know it's a bit of a new term, isn't it? Anyway, a company contacted me via email. That company, you probably tell by the thumbnail, is Shine Armour. They do car valeting products. Now the email says, would you like to try our graphene ceramic spray, which is this one here? So I said, yes, I would love to try it. I'll do a video, we'll wash the Range Rover. But I thought, being as I'm using Shine Armour, they only sent this and some microfiber cloths to test out. So this is a bit of a sponsored video, it was provided. But I thought, I need to wash it first. So I got some Shine Armour graphene oxide infused wash and wax. Now I bought this with my own money. This one was provided, that one I bought. So, I'm going to wash half the bonnet. It's quite warm at the minute. The car said it's 20 degrees. It's not an ideal time. Bloody dogs. It's not an ideal time to be washing a car in brilliant sunshine. We're going to wash half the bonnet, we're going to chamois it off, and then we're going to try some of this graphene ceramic spray. And apparently it's quite easy to apply. You spray it on there's a little spray applicator goes in the top. You spray it on a microfiber cloth, wipe it on, leave it for a little bit, and then you rub it back off with another microfiber cloth. Spray Shine Armour onto the graphene ceramic spray into a microfiber towel. Wipe the product onto the paint, allowing the surface to be fully covered. Allow the product to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Buff to a high shine with a microfiber towel. And then allow it 4 hours to cure before exposing it to the elements. I've not got anywhere undercover or in a garage that I can do this. So we're going to have to try it outside. But this is a real world test, isn't it? Not everybody can clean their car undercover. So that's what we're going to do. Hobbit's getting all the pressure washer and everything out. We're going to wash half the bonnet, treat it with this, and then see how the water beads off it. It's supposed to be a really good shine and make the water run off quite easy. Let's get on it. Here it is with the little spray thing. How's it work? There's a little thing underneath, turn it around. Right, it says to spray it on a microfiber cloth and put it on the panel. So now we leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Right, I'm going to buff it off now with a clean microfiber cloth. Shines up nice, doesn't it? So that's that, we've done half the bonnet. I'm going to spray some water on it now and see how it beads off. So we'll see you over here. I hope it picks that up because it's quite obvious, isn't it?
It does make an obvious difference, yeah.
So there you go, graphene ceramic spray. I've only done half the bonnet. It's not ideal conditions for washing the car. I'm going to go around and wash the rest of the car, and we're going to do the other half of the bonnet with this stuff just to make sure that it's all, you know, as good as it can be. And yeah, so you can quite clearly see the beading on the bonnet. On the side we treated, it's all beaded and it runs off. The other side, it was just a mass of water. So it does work and it puts a lovely shine on it. I won't show you what the actual car looks like when it's finished because everybody's seen a clean car. I just thought I'd showcase this product. There is a link in the description where you can get a discount and we get a little bit of a commission off of that as well. So if you want to check some of this out, have a click on the old link in the description for this stuff. So far I'm quite impressed with it. It seems to do quite a good job. I'm going to wash the car properly when the sun's not blaring on it. But as I say, this is real world situations. Anyway, I'm going to give the car a quick wash anyway, but I'm not going to bother putting this stuff on until we get it all spotless. But so that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks again to Shine Armour. It seems like quite a good product, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.